So the F1 Ultra is portable, but it is quite heavy and extremely well packaged. I decided that I'm going to keep the foam, the box, and the straps just in case I do move it or need to take it to a show or somewhere else. I did struggle with the tape on the top of the laser, and it did take me a minute to find out how to remove the styrofoam pieces from the inside. Be careful, those boxes have cardboard boxes that house other things inside. You're ready for our first project. The laser removes the paint layer on the ornament and you can see inside of it, so this is a perfect opportunity to add some paint on the inside to personalize your ornament even more. This part takes practice. I tried rolling it and shaking it and it finally worked out. Definitely not perfect, but it's perfect for me for our first project. Let's see if you guys can actually see this. Come on. Out of focus. There you go. It is so adorable. I switched it over and did it on 2 sides. It will be a perfect gift and I will surely be making lots more. See you guys next time. Bye for now.